we finally do what frozen things do in summer. What are you doing?
Making slime.
That's what I was gonna say. You see that? Oh my gosh, so
okay, fold it. Fold it. Fold it.
You wanna do it.
Guys, hello.
welcome.
Today we are going to make
Anna and Elsa slime.
with Krista. Just make slime.
All summer long. Okay, so we're making slime today. I'm gonna make Elsa,
Krista.
and you're gonna make Anna, right?
Oh, you blocked off Krista.
Sorry, Christoph. Christoph is just coming along for the ride, but Anna, you're gonna make Anna because we're doing green slime for Anna, and I'm just gonna do white slime, and I don't wanna wear gloves, and she's fine doing it without gloves because she doesn't care about her manicure, but
My manicure is already blue.
that's awesome. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with a white slime and just put every blue glitter into it that I can. And that's easy peasy lemon squeezy.
I'm going to make a light green slime, and I'm gonna put light green. Or wait, I thought we were doing dark green glitter. Oh,
This
is dark green. So we're gonna have dark green glitter in it.
Do we have borax water anywhere around here?
Yes.
Can I have some?
So dark green glitter,
There's
black glitter,
Just a tiny bit. I just need a tiny bit.
light pink glitter,
You want to touch it?
and dark pink glitter.
Ooh. Come around and show what you're doing. We have our behind the scenes crew working on slime right now, and it looks pretty fabulous. I just I just want a little I just want a little dab. Here, angle it. Angle, like more. Okay. Just a little dab. Okay, I'm good. Get away from me. Ew. Okay.
Okay, so
We just make up big batches of white and just keep it in a bunch of containers, and then we can color it whenever we feel like. So it's kind of like just a really fun, easy.
So if you're heartbroken, you can go and make slime.
What? If you're heartbroken, you can go make slime?
Yes, because like if you're sad, you can make slime. If you're happy, you can make slime. If you're mad, you can make slime.
If you're happy and you know it makes
I hate
some slime.
people.
If you're happy and you know it makes some slime. If you're, whoa, it's so windy. It always gets super windy right when I'm about to blow the glitter.
Okay, I'm taking forever.
Okay, so I'm just doing every, yeah, you better get to painting, girl. I'm just gonna do every
I need
glitter.
a little bit of borax.
And between
stuff.
each glitter, I'm going to fold it in, just because it will keep it from blowing away at this very moment.
Look at this.
These ones are very similar. These are like the same. This one's just a little
You
darker.
need a little bit of
I lost my co-host here.
I'm coming up.
This is still very sticky. I need a little borax. Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that blue. Can you see that?
Okay, sorry.
It's so pretty.
Sometimes
It's
if
so pretty. I need more
Sometimes-
borax.
Sometimes when the slime gets like left out
Our
for a while.
backstage crew is fired.
Okay. I can't be fired. I'm your daughter.
I know.
That's
Can't
why we
fire
laugh.
your daughters.
I'm back.
Okay.
Technical difficulties. Okay.
I really need borax. Really need borax.
Okay.
All right, how's yours coming? You're turning yours green.
It's getting green. Look how light it is.
I have
like
one more
it.
glitter. That's perfect for Anna.
Look at
I
that.
love that Anna has green.
I'm a manicure.
Tiana has that color too. I was thinking there weren't very many princesses with green, but Tiana does. That's actually a perfect color
And
for
Tinkerbell.
Tiana. Tinkerbell's not a princess, but
Well, yeah, but we have her in the set.
yeah. So
Look at this.
that is pretty.
Look at it. It's so like. Okay, so let's add the glitter.
Oh, a good look. What do you guys think?
Ooh.
She's pretty. She kind of reminds me of Funfetti. Whenever you put the big ones in there, it reminds me of Funfetti frosting. Ooh, that would be a good slime to make. Funfetti. It's the best.
No.
Oh, that is so pretty. You better show them that color contrast.
I will.
See that? Oh my gosh, so
Okay, fold it. Fold it. Fold
pretty.
it.
I will. I just want to show that off for a second because it's so pretty. I love that fuchsia color.
There you go.
Okay, so
We
now
gotta
we're
do
doing
some
the
green.
black.
Gotta do some green. want to mix it.
Now you mix.
Can watch the
Hold on,
magic.
can I get it off my hands? Because you're bad at it. You don't ever get it all the way off my hands. You just leave me there with slime all over my hands.
And then you start crying by yourself because
I have slime on my hands and it's the worst thing ever. Just kidding. Okay.
look at this slime.
No.
Let me see.
No?
I think I love it.
Okay.
Especially
Here.
because we'll put some of the glitter on
Oh
the container.
my goodness gracious, that is the best.
What do you think about Elsa? Should I add, take away, change it a little bit?
Elsa.
Look at you stretch it and then I stretch it. That's so cool. Anna and Elsa slime.
Look, and then, and look.
Elsa slime. I feel like each one of these videos needs an intro of us singing, "You got Elsa in my slime! Anna in my slime, I mean."
Look at this. Look.
Ta-da! Well, don't get her mixed in.
It won't.
What else is she missing? I feel like she's missing something. What am I missing in her slime?
Wait.
I feel like purple. I feel like, don't you think a little bit of purple? She's got purple on her.
We gotta.
What do
make
you
this
think?
Into like a.
What? Ignoring me.
He's not.
What do you-
He does not have purple. Elsa does
But
not.
the
have
like branding colors for Anna and Elsa are like purple and blue. You know what I mean?
purple. Ooh.
No.
I'm just focusing on my.
I know, you're not listening. What about this color? No, because these don't really show up that well.
No.
Okay. I feel like this needs something though. Don't leave me hanging. I feel like I want to get snowflakes. and put the snowflakes.
forever.
Listen.
They're melting in this slime.
Do you think I should do anything else to Elsa's slime?
No. I like it.
That's
Oh,
just
that
because
was
you
like-
like how Anna's turned out. But you're not really looking at the big picture of how Elsa's should be.
They look like Elsa and Anna.
You think?
Yes.
Let me
I think
see.
you should add a little bit more
Oh,
dark
yeah.
Oh,
glitter.
now you think? Now you want to have some thoughts? Now that I've asked you for like 400 hours what I should do? All right, I'm going for it. Think I added enough yet?
Yes.
That's a lot.
Yes.
Yikes.
You can never have enough glitter.
Never have enough glitter in your life.
Anna needs to be a part of these things.
Anna needs to come home so she can be a part of these slime making extravagant. Oh, look, it's. I think that was a good call. Why didn't you tell me sooner? All you had to do was just speak up a little bit instead of just leaving me there hanging while you're playing with the Anna slime. I feel like it needs a little bit more. Excuse you, Lindis. Riley, you help me. What do you think this needs? It just needs to be prettier. I think Elsa's just so pretty.
That's impossible to make her slime.
It's Is she so pretty? It's impossible to make her slime.
Yeah.
Yeah, like me. Just kidding. That's so cute. I love it so much. I get it. Anna's really cute. Now, what about Elsa? What about Elsa?
Wait. And Kristoff.
Okay, I love that. You're right. You are right. I love that. I do. That's perfect.
Kristoff, you love Kristoff? Oh.
No, he's a bit of a
That's like
fixer-upper.
valid mama.
He's engaged to somebody else.
Wait. Kristoff table. You just stuck Elsa like half.
You can't marry a man you just met.
But it's true love.
But you can if it's true love. Okay, she's literally sinking in this.
No, it's you can't marry a man with fake sideburns.
That's you. You have fake sideburns. Burn.
Get it? Sideburns.
Okay,
Burns.
I'm gonna call that. I'm gonna call that good. I mean, come on now. I'm not happy with it.
I am. I love it.
You think this is pretty?
You should like spell out.
I love that.
Oh wait, I forgot the beads.
No, stop while you're ahead. I like this one. I mean, I like that one. But should I add? I just don't think these will show up. I've tried it before.
Ring my
Should I try a little bit? I don't think they show up. Oh, that is kind of pretty though, but I think they're gonna disappear.
Don't play.
Only
If it disappears, then
Can you guys see that?
wasting a lot of glitter.
I know. That's why I didn't want to do it, but it is so pretty. Like, maybe I'll just leave it on the top for now. Oh, it's pretty. Look, it looks like snow's on top.
Oh yeah.
Maybe I could do that to the top of the container.
think you should just leave it like that.
Yeah, I'll just leave it on top.
Go wait on it.
Some people do that, right? They give their slime with just a decor on the top, and then once it's mixed in, it's mixed in. Right? Nobody does that?
No.
Oh, I thought
But
that-
you do. So, you know?
That's
Now when
all
people-
she wrote. Okay, so that's Anna and Elsa. Hope you enjoyed it.
Wait.
What are you doing?
I added the rest of her slime in. So.
Okay, bye.